Hey everybody, it's Julie the Whoopie Chick here, and as you can see, it is Vlogmas Day 6, and my hats just keep getting weirder and weirder and weirder. But I saw this one at the grocery store and I just couldn't resist. Oh, it looks like I've got a little yellow, or a little red fuzz there. There we go. Gotta fix Santa up, make him look good. All right, like I said, today is day 6 of Vlogmas 2022, and we are just, finding more and more ideas for garlands to deck your halls with, or deck your trees, or decorate your mantle, or your windows, or your door frames, wherever you want to put a garland. There are so many ideas that will go with your home decor and your decorating taste. So the one I found today is, to me, just so funny. Now, this is not going to be everybody's style or everybody's taste, but it is really cute. So if you're a fan of emojis, you might really, really like this one. I found this one at goldenlucycrafts.com. goldenlucycrafts.com. That's it. I have a link to my Pinterest boards right down in the description, so you can go and check out any of my ideas at any time after any of these videos, and you can find the one you are looking for that you might be interested in making. But this one I just thought was really funny. It's really just based on smiley face emojis, and they're kind of dressed up for Christmas. They're just really cute. They're basically just, flat circles with, little faces on them. Some of them have like hats or antlers or things like that to make them unique, but they're super fun and super cute, and definitely would be probably more of a hit with the younger crowd, shall we say. Like I said, they're not always going to go with your decor. That's why I have such a big selection of them. But if you know someone who might enjoy this, or maybe you would enjoy it yourself, go ahead and give it a try. Let me know what you thought of it. I'd love to see pictures too. If you want to shoot me an email with pictures, I'd love to see. Yeah, so that is day 6 of Vlogmas 2022. Can't wait to see you tomorrow for more garland ideas. Okay, everybody, talk to you tomorrow. Bye-bye.